Welcome back to Weapon Handling. In today's video, we're diving into one of Russia's most unique and intriguing firearms, the TR3 Gun 2. This compact, powerful weapon is a game changer in tactical and close-quarters combat, and we're going to break down everything you need to know about it. What is the TR3 Gun 2? The TR3 Gun 2 is a Russian-made firearm that stands out for its innovative design and versatile functionality. Known for its sleek, futuristic appearance, the TR3 is built for efficiency with a focus on compactness, power, and reliability. It uses advanced materials and engineering, making it a solid choice for both military and law enforcement applications. Design and features. The TR3 Gun 2 boasts a modular design, allowing users to customize the firearm to their specific needs. With an ergonomic grip, integrated sight systems, and a lightweight build, it's engineered for optimal comfort and accuracy. The gun is chambered in 9mm, offering a good balance between stopping power and manageable recoil, making it effective for quick, precise shots. Performance and reliability. One of the standout aspects of the TR3 is its performance in harsh conditions. Whether it's extreme temperatures or rough environments, the TR3 is designed to continue functioning when other weapons might fail. This level of reliability makes it a dependable choice for soldiers and law enforcement personnel in demanding situations. The recoil is smooth, and the gun's firing rate ensures rapid target acquisition. Why is the TR3 Gun 2 important? The TR3 Gun 2 represents a step forward in the evolution of tactical firearms. It's not just about being a great weapon, it's about adaptability and effectiveness in a range of real-world scenarios. Its design blends modern technology with practicality, making it a valuable asset for anyone in need of a versatile firearm. Hey, what's up? That wraps up our look at the Russian TR3 Gun 2. Whether you're a weapon enthusiast or someone interested in the latest military tech, this gun deserves your attention. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the world's most exciting firearms right here on Weapon Handling.